Why should I choose network marketing? Folks, why not choose network marketing? You know, this is all about sales and making money online by promoting products and opportunities. You know, on the internet you have this thing called affiliate marketing, where you promote products and you make a commission, you know, and you make one little commission from selling one little product. You know, that's cool and everything, but if you take a day off or you take a week off, take a month off, you're not going to make any money. So why not associate yourself with more people like yourself, get them signed up under you, and so if you take a week off, they're still working and they're bringing in their commissions, and then you're getting a piece of their commission from their efforts. It's all about duplication, folks. That's the power of network marketing. You're getting paid from other people's efforts, and then you teach them to do the same thing, and then you teach those people to do the same thing, and it just duplicates and it just starts to grow exponentially, folks. That's the power of network marketing. And the whole point at the end of the day is to not work at all. It's called the 4-hour work week. It's called making money while you're sleeping. It's called making money while you're on vacation. That's where you want to be, folks. You don't want to be working all day long talking about, I work hard for my money. How has that ever worked out for people? People work hard for their money all their life, and they end up retiring broke, tired, sick. That's not the way to do it, folks. That's the old school way of living your life. And folks, I'm not going to live my life like that. I refuse to conform to the matrix. You know, my eyes are open. I took the blue pill, and I've gone down the bunny rabbit trail, and I'm down in Zion having a ball. I'm partying with everybody that's free. You know, I'm not stuck in the matrix. Get out of the matrix, folks. Wake up and get plugged into a system such as network marketing, folks. Now, that's cool, you have your own business and everything, but like I said, you take a day off, you take a week off, what's your business going to do? It's going to fail. Somebody's going to steal from you. Same thing with your job. You know, you take off, you don't show up, you're not going to make any money. You're going to get fired. Even if you're selling products online, like eBay or things like that, that's cool. But if you don't sell, you don't make any money. So you always want to have people signed up under you, under like a second tier or third tier underneath you, that are bringing in money for themselves. They're getting maybe 30% commission, and you're getting 5% commission on what they do. So they might make $40 per sale, and you're making like $5 per sale from their efforts. $5 might not seem much money, but what if you had 100 people signed up? Now that's $500 coming in. You see the power of that, folks? You didn't do anything. You just made power. Okay? You make money from other people's efforts while you sleep. And you just teach those people to do the same thing. And it goes on exponentially. All right, I can be talking about that forever. I've been doing affiliate marketing for years, for 10 years. So I know the ins and outs of that stuff. Next question.